This information shouldn't shock you, but you might be shocked. I recently realized that only 22% of YouTubers are women over 30. That's pretty surprising, right? With all the wisdom that we have got in experience and unique insight, women of my age, like, why are we not taking advantage of this? So I decided to embark on a 30 days content creation on YouTube. And I would love you to join me on this if you've been struggling to like start your YouTube journey. Why not join me on this journey where I'll be creating content for the next 30 days, sharing my experience and sharing everything that I've learned in between on how to make money and all of that. But today's video is not for that. Now, in today's video, I will be talking about why you should start your YouTube channel if you're over 30. If you have not hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video. So I started taking YouTube serious again after monetization last week. If you want to learn how I was able to do this within the space of 90 days, I'll be sharing that video sometime this week, so you want to stick around. So for today, let's chat about starting your YouTube channel. This could be a very good opportunity for you, whether you're juggling through life like myself, you're a grad student, whether you're a stay-at-home mom, whether you're climbing through the corporate ladder or you're running your own business. YouTube is not just another social media platform. It could be a game changer for you to share your experience, to share what you have learned in the over 30 decades of your life. You could use this as a place to like express your voice, share your passion. So in today's video, I'll be addressing some common concern, and I have it written down here just in case you notice me looking down. The first thing is we're going to be looking at the common concern. We're going to be looking at the real deal about starting, the perfection myth that most of us have, building a community, and finally, we're going to be looking at the financial aspect of starting your YouTube journey. Now, the common concern, and I get it. Probably you're thinking that going into YouTube is very challenging. You might think that you need to be tech savvy, or you're not tech savvy enough, or maybe you think you're too old, or starting something new here is difficult. Or maybe you're even a bit worried about what people might think. But guess what, friends? These things are totally normal, and none of them is a deal breaker. Sometimes most of these people you care about do not even care about you. They are not the one paying the bill for you. So I want you to stop this moment caring about what people will think of and start caring about you. Now, let's talk about starting. The truth is that many of us have been trained, or we grow up learning how to put others first before ourselves. And this might be making it a bit scary for you to put yourself in the spotlight. But hear this from me. It is totally fine, and your story is very important. Believe me, sharing your journey or embracing your interests is not just about liberating or making money. It is very, very necessary for you to like truly live your own life and live life in your own term. So you don't need to like look back in the next 20 years or in the next 30 years when you're like over 60 or 65 and wish you had done things better. Now, the perfection myth might come in. You wanting to be so perfect, showing up without any flaws. Like I literally do all of my social media content creation without any sign of makeup. And that's because I realized that for every single time that I've placed priority on trying to like look a certain way, it stops me from like creating content. So I decided like when I was investing time in building my social media platform on Instagram that I'm not going to do any form of makeup. You can show up as your authentic self. Like you're not owing anybody anything. Be you. You don't need to be perfect. You don't have to have all those fancy equipment to create your content. Just look for little things that can help you achieve what you want and go for it. Most of the big creators that I see on YouTube, they do not even have all of those fancy gadgets that I wanted to have before I started like creating content. And they are big and they are earning a lot. All you have to do is show up messy, laugh it up, be genuine. Your viewers would definitely want to grow with you and identify with the real you instead of the person who is fake and unreal. And that is what I am doing here. Another beautiful thing about starting your YouTube right now is that you're going to build a community. Imagine having a space to talk about anything you want, from the latest book recommendation that you've read to how to your beauty, to like your tips on shopping, or even sharing your daily adventure. It's all about turning your passion into content and connecting with people who truly and genuinely want to hear or like listen to what you have to offer. Not everybody will be in your network, and it's totally fine. Now, the part I do not want to forget is the financial aspect. Monetizing your channel through ads, sponsorship, affiliate link isn't just a dream. Like, I just got monetized like in a week right now, and I can really see like those little dollars that I am not working for, dollars that are coming in because I am doing what I love. Like, do you understand the financial burden that will take out of you when you begin to like share your journey? And again, it's not just also about making money, right? You're inspiring people, you're connecting, you're building your community, you're truly becoming yourself, and yet you're making money out of it. I don't want to paint a picture that it's going to be easy to like make money out of YouTube, but see it from a place of you're coming to connect with people and you're building a community with patience, and you consistently doing what you love. It's going to be like a win-win for you. I'm going to share a story with you, and I hope that this really inspires you to start. So I have a friend, her name is Lizzie, and she's a single mom who launched a channel in her 30s that is focused on budgeting and single parenting. Fast forward to now, she is not just making ends meet, but trust me, she's striving, she's supporting her family, she's traveling the world, like all because she was able to like also make money out of her channel. Lizzie's story isn't just about inspiring you. It shows you that anything you put your mind to is possible. So put that camera on and stop being shy. Talk about what truly matters to you. So if you're a woman over 30, or you're a young lady over 30 and you're listening to me and you're thinking about starting your channel, why not just go for it? Join me on this 30 days challenge of creating content. It might be a bit scary at first, but your perspective is invaluable and your voice deserves to be heard. Think about what excites you, what you love talking about, and start there. The rest would follow. Don't struggle to try to like fix in all the parts or figure it out all together. My goal is to genuinely inspire you, and I don't know what you're thinking about right now, but I hope that this video really inspires you and push you to start your YouTube journey. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comment below. I'd really love to hear what you have in mind. And if you're looking for more practical tips on creating engaging content, how to monetize your knowledge, and how to make money online, do not miss my next video. I'll be sharing everything at the back end of my analytics and everything. If you have not hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.